Alright guys, so here goes a video for Tuesday, September 3rd, first day, actually second day of the month. Quick recap here as to what we did in the markets. So I want to go over the ES and I want you to see every single anomaly that we will have coming up tomorrow. One of the things that I mentioned yesterday was the fact that we respected that 2894 number on that ES, and we did have a quite activity around the 2900 this morning. So coming in tomorrow, very important. If you look already overnight auction, we came to that regular trading hours point of control during the overnight Globex, and we just trying to make a move higher at this point. I have waiting for this trade. I did a couple of trades already. What's going to be important for tomorrow, guys, is whether or not we will go back into the balance, right? Into the 29.22s, 29.25 from Friday. So very important. We have singles right there at 29.31 and at 29.29. So let's see if this move will hold coming into Europe, and tomorrow morning I'm going to leave this video for you guys to review it as you guys come into the room. One thing to note, and I said it before we opened this morning, was the overnight point of control that it was very prominent. As soon as we got rid of the gap, if you guys remember the gap from Tuesday or Thursday, it was Thursday. From Wednesday to Thursday, that gap has been filled completely. This was done yesterday during the news event, on Monday, during the holiday, those 3 hours. What was important was today, regular trading hours, we did stop right at it, right at the bottom of the gap. We stopped and we started moving higher during the regular trading hours. We did pretty well. Those of you who are not members of the room, we came up really strong today. We only did 9 trades, right? 9 trades in the room. Some of the guys did better. I personally got about 25 points on that ES trading. Some of the trades, as you guys can see, I took a short from 95 to 92. Then I reversed, right? We went from 92 all the way up. So once the gap was completely done, I reversed my trade and went the other way with it. Currently, we are at 15, I think, 29.15. So very important for tomorrow, that 18 number on the ES, 29.18, right? Once we go above that 29.18, start looking for 29.25. That is for the ES. Good day today. Let me take a look at oil and show you what we did for oil. Personally, I only did like 3 trades. We did really well. I'm gonna go over that oil trade. Did about $600 on oil very early in the morning. About 36 ticks, not bad at all. Easy going, following some of the rules, using market profile and using other levels. When it comes to oil, I want you to pay attention to what's going on with the gap that we left yesterday for today. So we have this gap, and right now Globex looking a bit strong, right? Trying to close that gap. Let's see if we're gonna get it tomorrow morning. 54.35, 54.74, and 54.77. Those are numbers to look on that oil tomorrow morning. That is Monday point of control around 54.77. Monday point of control at 54.74. The settlement, I believe, was 54.77. So quick thing to note, we are inside this 54. And if you look at the daily, let me show you what the daily is looking like, right? We've been playing around this 53 to 56 number a couple of times over the past 2 weeks. And it has been great to be playing those numbers in the room. They have been really great. Eventually, we need to break out of this. Tomorrow we have API, I believe, tomorrow. Because the holiday, they did not give us the report today, so the report will be tomorrow. and regular inventory is going to be Thursday. So inventory is going to be on Thursday, and tomorrow will be API numbers. See how we're sitting right here in the middle, right around this 54, 54, 54. So one thing to note is this 55 number, 55 even number, right? When we have gone above it, we have targeted that 56 a couple of times, 56.50, 56.50. So very important to know what are we doing tomorrow morning, whether or not we're going to retest this 53 and look below around the 52.70 that is bad structure, by the way. That 52.70 and below, some bad structure. So let's wait it out tomorrow morning, see where we end up. But as of right now, it appears to be that they want to go towards that 55. So look for 54.30s. That is the top of the gap. Okay, that is the top of the gap. Let me show you. That would be from Monday till today. And that was today's open, by the way. So we have some space to fill between 53.98 and 54.34. So if I were to close this like that, so this will be the gap that we still have to fill. It looks pretty strong overnight. Let's see how we open tomorrow morning. So have this video, please, handy as you come tomorrow in the morning. Just give it a quick view, just 5-6 minutes, and hopefully this will help you a lot in the market trading oil. We have singles from Friday. You guys remember that drop on Friday, and they are all the way at 56.20. We have not repaired those singles. Then we have this Monday point of control of 54.74. So these two targets are going to be to the top, 54.35 and then 54.74, maybe 77 on the oil. All right, back to the ES. ES is showing some signals of strength right now overnight. Currently, we are sitting at 15.50, right? So let's see if we can get it back to that 18 number and above, so we can start looking for this 29.25. Very important to note. Let me show you, get rid of that volume, something before I go on this quick video, is that I have kept, guys, the overnight from Sunday night and Monday night. And you guys have seen now that this gap that we had last week from Wednesday, it has been filled. So there was a lot of defending of this 97 this afternoon and the 900 number. So as you look right now, we open Globex and we haven't looked below that 2902, right? 2902. So we're grinding higher into Wednesday, tomorrow morning. And that can propel the move. Let me exclude those overnight. Again, to go inside this balance area, right? That balance area between 2900 and 2936. 42 number that we've been talking about a couple of weeks. It is extremely important coming up tomorrow. So we're going to take one bit at a time. First, let's get over that 18 number. Right, 29.18. Then see if we can get that point of control. We have a couple of point of controls, by the way. 29.24. This is the point of control from Friday, excuse me. Point of control from Friday is 29.24. And we have a couple of singles at the top that we left that day. Right, so this is the day that we opened with a gap. And we filled the gap, and we just left those singles right there at 29.29 and 29.31. To the downside, again, is just see if we're gonna hold this 2900, right? Again, 2900 and 28.91. Very important tomorrow if we were to look lower in the market. So far, very strong during Globex. So I'm going to leave you with this. Those of you who are not members, please, again, just take a look how good we are doing, right? So these are the trades that we did today on oil and the trades that we did on the ES, right? 25 points Tuesday, relaxing, 36 ticks on oil. I thought I have done more ticks on oil. Apparently not. Anyways, I'm gonna leave you with this. If you want to sign up for our room or just want to give it a try, please just reach me out. Go to eslife8.com and select live chat, and that will take you to my website and to our private Slack room. And once you're there, just select live chat, and once you're in it, I'll reach out to you, right? That section, and you're gonna join our Slack room.